Hello viewers, welcome to St. Charles Online Teaching from Home Economics Department. My name is Mrs. Ngozi Odwa. Our topic today is food contaminants or harmful substances that should not be consumed. Previously, we looked into healthy feeding habits, meal etiquette, and others. This morning, we are going to look at the contaminants that are harmful to the health of people when they consume them. Specific objectives. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to define food contaminants, enumerate the contaminants and mention their examples, define drug abuse or substance abuse, enumerate drugs generally abused, enumerate the effects of drug abuse on the human body, enumerate the behavioral changes and sicknesses caused by drug abuse. Meaning, harmful substances that should not be consumed or food contaminants are the undesirable or harmful substances that have mixed up, entered, or covered the food and make it harmful for the consumer. When this happens, the food is said to be contaminated and the undesirable substance is called contaminants. The contaminants. These contaminants are microorganisms. Example, bacteria, virus, fungi. These bacteria or virus or fungi are those minute, very tiny organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eyes, but you can only see them with the use of a microscope. The next one is pesticides, rodenticides, insecticides. These are a form of sprays and the ones they use to kill pests, rodents like rats and others, then insects that pest our foods, plant growth regulations, objects, non-edible substances like the strands of hair, iron pellets, stones, fingernails, rat feces and other things, even wire, expired canned food, stale food, uncooked or improperly cooked foods. The microorganisms that contaminate food are numerous and cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They are everywhere on the land, air, and water. Some of them are harmful, while some are not. They exist in form of virus, fungi, and bacteria. These, when in food, cause food to be contaminated. Mold. Mold is a type of organism that grows on decaying food and makes it unfit for consumption. You see, there are times when you prepare meals and you keep them. When you come, you see some blackish or whitish spots on them. And when you notice or observe such a thing on the food, you know that the mold has started growing on the food and that food has started decaying. And if it is dangerous to the health of anybody that takes the food. Bacteria is a microorganism which is most common in food and it causes food poisoning. Oftentimes people eat food, they begin to develop stomach ache, stomach upset, vomiting, stooling, uncontrollable stooling. Sometimes the person may even get something like diarrhea or dysentery because of the presence of bacteria in the food. Then toxins. These toxic materials are injected into food by virus and bacteria of different types. These toxins also cause food contamination. And when one eats such food, the person develops some ill health. Pesticides, rodenticides, and insecticides. These are chemicals which are spread on the cash crops during planting. These cash crops are those crops that we export after harvesting them. It is not just for domestic consumption, but you export them, you sell them to other people in large quantities. So such chemicals they use in planting them affect food. They prevent the attack of pests, rodents, and insects on the fruits and crops. These chemicals may affect the products and thereby contaminate the harvested products. Plant growth regulation. The plant growth regulators use a lot of hormones on plants that produce this foodstuff, either to increase harvest or increase the quality. These hormones may affect the products after processing them. Some solutions that are used to preserve that food, especially fruits, contaminated products. You know, during the planting or during the cultivation of the foods, for them to kill all these rodents and insects and pests that attack food crops or cash crops, they make use of them. And at the end, they affect the food. They affect them in such a way that it produces some contaminants in the food, making them unfit for one to consume. Objects in the food is also one of the food contaminants, and these are undesirable that could be found in food. These include stones, hair strands, rat feces, pieces of iron, nails, and others. They enter into the food during processing, preservation, and storing. Sometimes where people process food are not hygienic, where they preserve them to and store it. Sometimes you find their pantries, that is stores or barn, where they store things, they are not well kept. Some are outside, open like that. Some have leakages. And these foods, when they preserve them there, they are contaminated through some of these objects. Expired foods. The substances used in canning, bottling, bagging, and packaging food have dates of expiration. When these substances expire, the foods are no longer good for consumption. You know, oftentimes these foods that they normally produce, like this time everybody makes cellophane, plastics, containers, and others. They don't keep them well. Most of the times, they don't even sterilize them well. Even in bagging, you find out when you buy some of these foods, the bags have openings here and there. But it is left for the person that is buying to inspect whatever he or she is buying, to check the packaging dates for expiration so that people will be safe when they consume such food. Stale food. Most of the times, the food people eat, they go stale when they are not properly stored or cooked because of the presence of bacteria. As we said, bacteria are everywhere. Some of them are harmful. Most of them are also good. But these harmful ones attack food. The stale food also grow mold. They are contaminated, and once anybody take this food, the person will be infected with some ill health, especially the ones that concern feeding. Drug abuse. Drug abuse is also called substance abuse. This is what many of our youths are suffering from. Even some adults, they suffer drug abuse because once you enter into such, before you know it, you begin to abuse them. And when you abuse substances, it never goes well with the person. So it's a destructive pattern of using a substance which leads to significant problem or disorder in the body. Drug abuse also means using a substance in a pattern that is not approved by a specialist or doctor with a different intention. Sometimes you find people, they will tell you it was because of depression. Like I was discussing with one boy. He told me, Mommy, it was because of depression, because he has no job. You know, he began to think otherwise. He met some of his friends who introduced him into such, and I advised him. He accepted. Drugs generally abused. Any substance whose intake can result on a high feeling can be abused. These are household cleaners, marijuana, cocaine, alcohol, phencylidyne, and sometimes you find youth, like one of them was telling me, that it is not only just ordinary drugs that they abuse. Some of them go to sock away pits. They break it open on one corner and put pipe, and they will be inhaling it. And I wondered what that such thinking order will be doing to their body, to their brain. I don't really understand, but these are some of those things they also form the habit, and they abuse them, you see. So it is very dangerous for one to abuse drug. Household cleaners. You know these things we use to clean the house and the home, most of them are prepared now locally. They use some chemicals and substances that are not very wonderful to the health of individuals. And some of these people who abuse drug, who are into drug addiction and others, when they inhale them, they feel all right, but they are destroying their body system. Some people form the habit of inhaling certain household products. These products are made with chemicals which are injurious to health. Alcohol is a legal drink, but it contains some toxic substance which, abused, brings disorder. It can have a devastating effect on the consumer, both physically and mentally. Caffeine is contained in food like coffee, tea, and soda drinks. But when taken in excess, it does a lot of harm in the body, like palpitation, insomnia, and anxiety. And we know that these are health problems. Majority of the boys or girls who are into such, they can stay without sleeping, they can stay without eating. It also affects their habit of feeding. Taking it in excess starts from forming a habit of taking it daily. Cocaine. This drug tends to stimulate the nervous system. It comes in liquid and powdery forms. It can be sniffed and can be injected into the body. This also causes a lot of harm to the body. Effects of drug abuse. The effects of drug abuse and alcohol on the person is adverse. It is dangerous. It is bad. It can change the person's brain and body and make them to be nervous, especially when they fail to take it. When injected, it does not pass through the digestive system. It goes straight to the bloodstream. It damages the organs of the body. It destroys the immune system and makes the body susceptible to infection. It causes nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pains. Oftentimes, you see what it does in the body. It makes one to feel like vomiting. It makes one to vomit. You throw out. It gives a lot of abdominal pains, aches, diarrhea, a lot of stomach problems. It puts more work on the liver, which leads to liver damage. It produces global body change, such as breasts developing in men. Sometimes you see boys, you see them develop breasts. These are the causes or side effects of drug abuse. Sometimes you see dramatic fluctuation in appetite. Sometimes they will stay without food for some days. When you meet some of these boys, they tell you the experiences. But oftentimes, if you are able to take them to rehab, most of the times they become normal. Increase in body temperature, which brings about variety of body condition. Drugs affect people's behavior and causes a lot of sickness to the body. This drug abuse continue, the behavioral changes, they become aggressive, hallucinates, addicts, loss of self-control, lose the appetite to reason and judge issues. You know, they are always aggressive, having feelings that are not normal. And when they become addicted to that, they cannot control themselves. They will go out of their way to get the drugs, and they don't reason properly. Sickness also results, and these sicknesses are likely to occur on the addicts. Stroke, which we know is very dangerous, cancer, kidney damage, hormonal damage, and also mentality damages that affect the individual. So I advise you to stay clear from all these drugs. Don't even start to take, because once you start to take, before you know it, little by little, you become addicted to them, and the health of the person is endangered. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Evaluation, you answer the following questions. Define food contaminants and give the examples. Enumerate the contaminants. What is drug abuse or substance abuse? Enumerate drugs that are generally abused. Enumerate the effects of drug abuse on the human body. Enumerate the effects of drug abuse on the human body and also behavioral changes and sicknesses caused by drug abuse. Now you can reach me through this WhatsApp number 08064473762. Thanks.